Spice up your PowerPoint videos with 3D models. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. Did you know that PowerPoint has full 3D images that you can rotate in any direction? They're fun to use in graphic layouts and videos created in PowerPoint. And adding a 3D image is just as easy as inserting a regular image. In this example, I already have a beach background and I want to add a cartoon seagull to the foreground. Go to Insert, 3D Models, and from the drop-down menu choose From Online Sources, unless you already have some 3D models on your computer. PowerPoint gives you access to a small collection of free 3D models. My seagull is in the Characters category, so I click on that. I find him in the lower right, then click to select, and then on Insert to place him on my slide. And this is what I get. You can turn the handle in the middle of the image and rotate it to any view you want. It really is a three-dimensional object. In the upper left of the ribbon menu, you can see different angle views that you can choose directly. But you can play with the image like this and choose any view in between. And you can resize your 3D model by doing a regular click and drag just like any other image. It's that simple. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.